This is the T-Mobile Phone Pro, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the keyboard itself. Then at this little top options bar, look for the cog icon that looks exactly like so. From here, you gotta tap on it. If it is not present over here, by the way, expand this little options bar through tapping on this 3 horizontal dots. So once at the Gboard keyboard settings page, enter the preferences category and turn on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.